Did you know may tinatago pang likas yaman ang Pilipinas? Ang likas na yaman ng Pilipinas ay hindi nabibilang sa 1, 3, pero 6.
Sean, ano yung pang-anim?
Come with me and let's find out.
Alam niyo bang ang kalawakan ay kasama sa likas na yaman ng Pilipinas? Kadalasang nakakalimutan pero huwag nating hahayaan.
Just like this telescope I have right now, making our invisible cosmos visible, showcasing Philippines can do big things.
And there is nothing beyond our capacity.
Please help us understand the mysteries of reality.
With technology, math, physics, and programming, it helps us advance the human race.
Yamang Kalawakan is not just out there, but it's always been a part of our Bagong Pilipinas.
So don't stop looking up, exploring, and making discoveries.